mukbang video.
Mami, ito follow ako matatapos itong video.
Nagmumukbang kami
10 out of 10. Perfect.
Yum yum. Just enough.
Sige lang po eh.
Do you love it?
Oh, it's the best spaghetti in town.
Oo.
Is that mukbang?
Appa. It's like a collab video with my mom.
Collab.
Collab means like people doing it together from different accounts or different people.
You say kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
What about me and Luna eating together? This is a eating contest.
Not yet. I am. You're not the mommy. You're so silly. Yummy. Best spaghetti.
Yep.
Mix it properly.
I did.
Hindi yung kare-release ng isang video.
Are we taco?
Yes. And Mom we taco for yummy foods. And taco for bacon. Mommy, maybe on next dish of spaghetti and we have bacon, can you add it in? Bacon mixed spaghetti. That's what some restaurants make. What? It was weeking. What else could I do?